Alrighty guys, it's about that time. Finally finna get ready and take this engine out. Y'all know it's already previously torn or partially torn down, so already. Remember I had to take the valve cover out. Oh, let me see. Let me card this video right here where y'all go check out part 1. In fact, I'll put a little clip right here of me doing the compression test. Alright. That's not. Alright, let me go over 1. Ain't nothing out of number 1. Hold on, don't go to hold on. Let me go over to number 5. Alright, go ahead now. Yeah, it ain't my gauge. I got some in 5. Number 1 totally dead. Alright, I'm done. I really need to remove this valve cover, cause that camshaft can be broken. Yeah. She snapped in half.
Either it can be broken or just the lobes are worn completely out.
Oh, rocker arm broken and all. This ain't that hard to do. Let me yank this plenum off in this valve cover. Well, here we are about a month later, and I got an engine over there, guys. Yes, this engine right here. Wow. Okay. See, I ended up pushing this back outside. I just laid the valve cover down on here. It's not sludged up or anything like that. However, I got 0 compression out of cylinder 1. This is bank 1, guys. This is bank 2. Bank 1 with include cylinder 1, 3, and 5, 2, 4, and 6. I know the drill. I got 0 compression, and it's not valve train, so it's something in the bottom. So they recommend that I replace the engine. Well, I recommended it, and they said that is a good recommendation. So what I'm about to do, guys, is totally remove the engine, replace the engine. All right, so let me go. I got a lot of work to do. Let me get all this stuff loose. I'm gonna reuse the harness. Look at this. Wow. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but all this is about to be replaced anyway. So let me grab a chain. I'm just gonna remove the plenum and the lower intake. Just pick it up from here, guys. No big deal. I'll fire the camera back up. Let's go into the bottom right quick, but I'll fire the camera back up when I'm ready to take the engine out. Y'all stay tuned. Oh, ready, guys. I'm getting ready to. It's that time. It's actually past that time. I should have been done with this car, but I got tied up on some other stuff. So I got this Charger in the shop. Y'all saw us push it in, right? Well, it's time to get busy, guys. So what I'm gonna do now is everything under the bottom. What guys? I don't know how many of you guys replace engines or swap out engines, because that's basically all I'm doing, swapping out. I'm taking the old engine out, putting in a new engine. Naturally, you're gonna have to split the engine from the transmission. That's simple enough. Bell housing bolts, but first the torque converter bolts has to come off, and to do that, the starter has to come off. I'm gonna just get this rack and pinion totally out of my way. It looks like there's gonna be a pain in my way because number 1, the engine is attached to the motor mounts, and the mounts have to come off or loose. Yes, off. And I don't want to snag nothing, so I'm getting this out of my way. I have to get this out of my way in order to get to the starter, right? You can't even see the freaking starter, but that's easy enough. And I'm just gonna bring the engine out whole, complete, okay, and then go in with that other engine. I was about to say new engine. It's not a new engine, but for now, let me get all this off. Alrighty, guys, it's about that time. Look, I got it split from the block, guys. So the transmission is technically separated from the block. Alright, now I'm gonna have to bring this up with the engine supports still connected to the block. It looks like I got a straight shot upward. Starter is removed, torque converter bolts is removed. And guys, what do you don't see? You don't see the rack and pinion that used to be right here. You know why? It was so much easier to just get it out of your way. Look, so I got it right here, and it was, the good part about it was easy to take off. Okay, just unhook the suspension, and of course, the electrical connectors. But this transmission is basically, or this engine just basically sitting down in the frame. Look at this straight shot, guys. Oh, you couldn't ask for anything else. Now, I ended up, the compressor used to be right there. Hey guys, I got it out of my way. I mean, it's up to you how you want to do it. Of course, this is R1234YA, so in order to remove the compressor, you gotta drain you gotta recover the Freon, right? So you need a recovery machine. I had to go get our AC machine to recover all the old, or recover the Freon, store it in the machine until I'm ready to put it back in. But yeah, see that? This whole exhaust, nothing is bolted up to nothing. So let me get the engine hoist, man. Let's get this engine out of here. Oh, I'm gonna go over the top end with you guys, show y'all what I had to remove to clear that route. All right, so let me let it down. I'm gonna go grab an engine hoist. Let's get this thing out. Let's get it. All right, guys, so here we are from the top end, guys. Yes, all of this just, I gotta get this out of the way. But this engine just basically sitting in here. Like I say, everything is unhooked. Guys, like I said earlier, I ended up removing the compressor out the way. Don't let nobody tell you, oh, you don't have to take that out. Man, do whatever you think gonna make your life simpler. Okay, I got that thing out of my way. And once I did, I meant I was able to remove the lines. Now look how much room I got with those AC lines go right there. All of that was in this area. Look how much clearance. So basically, all I gotta do is come up a little bit and then up. No, come forward and then up. It should just come out whole, guys. I think I'm gonna have to, I can get to these engine supports when I get the engine halfway up. Well, at that point, I'm already out, right? So it depends. We got to play it by ear, guys. So let me grab my chain, bolt up, and we got to get this out, man. I got a lot of work to do, guys. I'm going to store that right there. All right, so let me find my chain, my engine hoist, and the chain. All right, let's get it. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, I got it out. Ran into a couple of problems. Number one, I underestimated the length of my chain as far as coming out. You can see I was fighting with the hood. And guys, number two, there's no wear on the rear of this engine to bolt. I was really taking a chance gambling with this little bitty, I don't know, 1/4 inch threaded bolt. If that had snapped, I guess I would have still been holding on because I was inside the hook. Now, had I been like this, where the chain just lay inside the hook, yeah, that could have been a problem if that had snapped. So I had some safety in mind, but that's a shame. There's no way. I guess I could have bolted right here. That would have been a little stronger. Yeah, so when I go in, I'm going to hook up right here, not this little small. Thank goodness it didn't snap. But as far as coming out, yeah, the only thing I had to clear was the flywheel coming out of the housing area. Like I said, I had to come forward and then up. Okay, now the mounts, I did have to unhook the mounts because I was unable to clear the exhaust. No big deal with that. Of course, the radiator hoses, but yeah, no big deal at all. There's my socket I've been looking for. My goodness, it gets rough, guys. It get crazy. That's what I say, guys. Make sure there's something you want to do. To you newbies, now this times, I mean, we're slowly getting out of this anyway. I don't know. It's hard to predict where the automotive industry is headed, so I will not try. Yeah, here's my mount right here. Check these mounts before you put them back on, see if they're good. I just left them right here. So now it's time to goodbye. No, hey, remember, guys, if there's not a core, if they don't want this core back, we're gonna pull this head and find out why we had no. Hear me out. 0 compression in cylinder 1. All right. Now let's go over here. Cause we got to grab this engine. I want to put this in before I go home. It's like 3 o'clock now. It don't take that long. This is the engine I'm about to go in with. Remove the intake. Basically the same. I'm not gonna remove no valve cover, so I'm gonna set it in whole. I guess I can trust this flywheel. Make sure it's not cracked. Sure it's not warped. Yeah, I'm going in just like this, guys. So I have a lot of. Remember this. You hear that? So I will be transferring the old idle pulley to this engine. I'm not really. I don't know. They don't. You know, they said put it in. So, all right. So I'm gonna put it in. All right, guys. I got work to do, man. That's all. I thank y'all for watching, man. I think next time y'all see me, I will be firing it up. Cause all I'm gonna do is reverse the removal process. And I know y'all didn't get to see a good removal. Remember, guys, these are not tutorial videos. I have to say that time and time again. I'm not set up to do tutorial videos. Go check out Uncle Mark or Tim at Astro Auto Repair. They do damn good tutorial videos. All right? I'm just not. I don't have that kind of patience. It's not that it's a bad thing to do. It's just I'm not cut out. You got to know your limitation, and I would make a horrible video trying to do tutorial videos. All right, let me put it like that. So I got work to do. That's all I have on this video. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video, and we'll see what happens. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.